Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste without messing up format in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel, and as you can see, I have prepared my data. For example, I'm going to copy and paste this table without messing up the format. So first thing first, I'm going to select the table like this. And then we're going to right click on our touchpad and then select copy. Okay, and I'm just going to paste it right here. I'm going to right click again, and then instead of clicking on this paste option, we're going to click on the paste spatial. And there will be some options for us. We can choose paste only, paste values, or other paste option. And I recommend you to choose this one to keep the format and keep the value. So you can click on this option, keep source column width. So you will not mess up your table. And I'm just going to click on it. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see that the format is still the same. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to copy and paste without messing up format in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.